Hello everyone, I'm Sam Nguyen. I am a wedding photographer. Due to the job's requirement, I ought to travel a lot of places around the world. Therefore, my criterion in the selection of light device is having a small size as well as lightweight. This is my first choice in order to adapt with going to many places. Throughout trips, I always carry 3 to 4 lights. So it plays an important role in my choice. Currently, Godox has launched the Godox AD300 lamp that was met my expectation. Today I introduce to you. It is the latest light of Godox. I am the one of a few photographers in the world who has been sponsored by Godox. And is the first photographer in Vietnam to receive it. I would like to share with you the reason why I love this light. Even though it is on my hand first time. At first, let's unbox it together. I find it very compact, as same as the AD200 light sample. The feeling of handling is very good. The level of perfection is very high. Luxurious, and high classes. The button system is very friendly, easy to use for user. One of the changes in the menu system that it usually does the power adjustment by using the horizontal gear. But in this AD300 is changed by using the vertical gear. According to my assessment, this change brings more convenience. With horizontal rotation system very much. About lighting, the more detailed number, the greater accuracy. It means that this lamp allows for adjustment of the greater accuracy. In addition, this light allows shooting at 1/256 power. My second favorite point is its battery, that could use with AD200's battery. I currently have 4 AD200 lights. I can change each other, saving cost. The most important point of Godox AD300 lamp system, is that it inherits the advantages of the Godox AD600 Pro. With the round light bulb. This light shape for a light dispersion smoothly, no hotspot when shooting straight. Furthermore, it is integrated softbox package on the light bulb. So I can shoot directly with this bulb without the softbox. This is filament of bulb. It is both a protective headlight and a softbox. Which is the color temperature, white balance, very stable. And the speed of shooting, high sync speed, so high, speed 1/8000. Especially, this lamp system of Godox also created its own softbox system. Very compact as well as very smooth. I figure out this softbox that is very easy to install. This is an octabox, I just click on it to form a softbox. Setting for a wedding photographer like me to set up a softbox fast. This is very important because it will save me a lot of time while moving from one point to another. Time for setting up, I want to do really quick. Here I just press on it, I totally finished setting up this softbox. I have 2 pieces of diffuser of softbox, I can cover on 2 sheets to smooth the light. With this texture I believe that softbox will be very smooth. Just moment later, I will take a test to see if it could be met my expectation or not. Moreover, if you do not want to use Godox's own softbox, you can use the adapter to use the Bowen mount. The adapter mount allows you to use softboxes with Bowen mounts, without extra cost to buy new equipment. I have studied through all the specifications. I believe that this lamp will be a very hot item because it inherits the technology and power of the AD600. Within a compact body, I am looking forward to wait for it will bring great experiences. Now we will try testing this product. To see how it is. The quality is too good with a small light like this over my expectation. With this small and lightweight combo, I can have good light when travel. This is only a test photoshoots, I expect we'll have more works with Godox AD300 Pro later. With more good picture. Thank you for listening to Sam share about the Godox AD300 Pro lamp. And Sam is very excited to share with you the upcoming contents. Like, share and comment to continue receiving Sam's share on upcoming topics. Thank you and see you again soon.